welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year! If you're new here, my name is Sabina. I make fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos, and I will be vlogging every week in 2024. It'll either be a vlog or like a get ready with me or a get organized with me or a shopping haul or something like that, but a video every week for 2024 is my aim. I am on Instagram and TikTok and it's the same handle. It's Sabina. I'll leave the links in the description box below, but I share daily content over there that's more like beauty and fashion orientated. But here on YouTube, I kind of like to get real, chat with you guys. I feel like these longer videos, we can really speak and I can really share stuff that I don't really get to share on Instagram. I feel like Instagram is more about the aesthetics, and on here I can actually have a chat to you guys. So it's 2024 and I haven't done my vision board. I feel like I start every new year like on it. I'm one of those people, like fresh start. I love it, like the thought of a clean page, and I want to be on it. It just hasn't happened. So for New Year's Eve, the day before, we had a colour board party with all my cousins, which was really fun. The kids loved it. We all picked a different colour and we did a board. I'm sure you guys have seen this on TikTok, but we did a board of food of that colour. We were supposed to do this earlier in the year. We were planning on doing it back in April during Ramadan. We thought it would be a nice thing to do for Chandrat, so the night before Eid, but my uncle passed away on the 27th Rosa, and we never got around to doing it. We didn't really celebrate that Eid properly, and it has been a really tough year. And I think it was just really nice for all of us cousins to come together and all the kids to come together and do something. And it was really fun, and yeah, we had a good time. On actual New Year's Eve, we didn't do anything. We were at home in our comfy clothes on the sofa watching TV on our phones, and then like at 12 o'clock we had the fireworks, and like we were both on our phones. We're like, oh, Happy New Year, and then we're back to our phones. So I feel like the last few weeks has been very slow in terms of getting anything done, so I want to get back into the grind. I am going to do my vision board today. I've also been like trying to cook a lot more this year. I'm going to try and follow more of a anti-inflammatory gut health diet. So kind of, I don't really know what I'm doing. I've got a few books that I'm reading. I check every food to see whether it is good for my gut or if it is anti-inflammatory. And my biggest thing is I drink a lot of fizzy drinks and I eat a lot of takeaway, so I'm trying to cut that. And I've been making pancakes every morning, so I thought I'll show you the pancake recipe. This is honestly the tastiest thing. It's so quick and easy to do. I have set it up all nicely. It's not normally like this when I'm making it for the boys, but the ingredients are super simple as well. We have got 300 grams of this is normal plain flour, so I've got some bicarbonate of soda to make them fluffy. And if you want fluffy, use self-raising flour. If you don't want them fluffy, use the normal flour, but I want them a bit fluffy today. So we've got a tablespoon of self-raising flour, a tablespoon of caster sugar, a tablespoon of melted butter, 300 milliliters of milk, 3 eggs, and then either like lemon zest or vanilla extract to just flavour them a little bit. What does Zaki want? Strawberry. He used to say sorry when he wanted a strawberry. A strawberry? This one? Yeah. Bismillah. Thank you, Mummy. You're gorgeous boy. Mickey Mouse? Where's Mickey Mouse? Biscuit is waiting for his food. Are you hungry, Biscuit? Biscuit! Guys, the weather is so bad. Look, Fazan's gym equipment has fallen over and it's actually like really heavy. So I don't even know how that tilted on its side, but that's how windy it is right now. So I just filmed a couple of videos for Instagram and TikTok. I'm trying to like post on all the platforms every day. And it's a lot, guys. It's a lot. But all my skincare stuff is here, and then all my makeup stuff is here. So actually this room and this space for filming makeup content is proving to be really useful. My lips are so dry. Guys, this is not an ad. I'm not even on their PR list. I got this in a goodie bag from Space NK, I think, and then went and bought another one. But this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This, I think, is it's the berry fruits flavour. You literally need like the tiniest bit, and watch. I have it in mango, I think, and a few other flavours. I have suffered from dry lips my whole life. Like, I have big lips, and as a kid I used to get tonsillitis all the time, and my lips would be like ripped and bleeding, like not nice. So I've tried all the lip balms out there, and there are some really, really good products out there, but I feel like this is one of the best ones. When my lips feel sore or they're hurting or they're really dry, this really moisturizes them. I feel like a lot of things make them like stop feeling dry or looking dry, whereas I feel like this gives moisture inside out. Another thing that I love for my lips, it's down here, is this. It's a bit dirty. I love it for a lot of things. This is the Elizabeth Arden. Oh, it's not focusing. This is the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream. I love the smell of it. It's got like a weird smell, and some people don't like it. Even though my nose is blocked, I can still smell it. I love it. I love the smell of this. I love using this on rashes, on scars, on burns, on basically anything. This is really, really good. When the boys have really dry knees and they like look grey because they go so ashy, this is really good for that. When you're sick and you know, like when it hurts, like breathe up your nose because it's like so dry. A little bit of this up your nose. Honestly, guys. Seki just got up from his nap.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese. Can you show me cheese? Show me your best cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese, mashallah.
I,
What have you got there, Yahya?
number 7.
Lucky number 7. And which number did you make, Noah? Where's your number 14 gone? Noah made 14 on a skateboard.
It broke. It broke. It wasn't
Zaki,
fixing.
what number are you playing with?
Because I have skateboard. I made number 14.
You made number 14? Show me number 14 then. Noah, you were wearing my... got around to doing my vision board. I showed you guys like a sped up version of it, but it did take quite a few hours. I break it down by category, so I like look at the different parts of life, like health, relationships, travel, career, family, faith, and then kind of go off that and kind of what I want to achieve that year. There's some stuff that I put on my vision board and I put it on every year, and like I don't think it's going to happen this year, but I want it to happen at some point. So I've got like a picture of the Northern Lights because I really, really want to see them at some point, inshallah. And then, where's my picture of Japan? Oh, here. In cherry blossom season. But the cherry blossom season is in March. And if you go, like most people say, you should stay in Japan for like 2 to 3 weeks. And March is actually 2 months, guys, and I've got 3 kids. So there is no way that that is going to happen. But it's on there because at some point in my life I really want to go. And I've also put Marrakesh on there because we went last Ramadan and I loved it, so I really, really want to go. And then just like a few other holidays and bits. I put a picture of the Kaaba, like just a few little things here. And this year I really want to make the most of Ramadan. I really want to work on like the physical element of my faith. I think spiritually I'm really connected to God, and I always like think about religion with everything I do, but I'm not consistent with my prayers, not consistent with other things. and I just want to get better at that. And I think having young kids, especially when they're babies and they need you all the time, you can slack on things like that, and no, it's not an excuse, and I just need to get myself back in a routine. So that's why it's on there. I also would love to go on Umrah this year. Realistically, again, can I do it with 3 kids? Do I want to leave the kids? Do I want to take them? So I don't know if it would happen, but I would love to. Like, my mum and dad went last year. I've got family members going again this year, so I think it would be really nice. And then I've put like stuff that career-wise I want to achieve and things like that. And then little quotes. I love putting little quotes on there because, like, when I feel really down, there's certain things that I like to say to get myself through stuff. Islamically, one of my favorite quotes is, "With hardship comes ease." And I think when things are going really bad, I have to remember that even though I'm going through like a really difficult time, Allah's given me so many other blessings. So that's my favorite one. But I do have loads of here on that I kind of want to focus on this year. Like, one of them is success is a decision, and one of them is do it for you. And I think so often I feel like I'm doing things for the kids, things for my husband, things for family, things for like just work, and I'm like, no, like, what's gonna make me happy? What's gonna like drive me? Do it for me. So yeah, that's on there. And then I've got a few quotes about healing. The wound is not my fault, but the healing is my responsibility. Act like the person you want to become. My body is healthy, my mind is creative, my soul is calm. Like, I want to eat better this year. I mentioned it, I think maybe even earlier in this vlog, but I want to get my gut clean because your gut affects everything, and it really helps with your mental health. And I feel like if I focus on my diet, if I'm cooking, that's therapeutic. If I'm eating good food and clean food, then hopefully eventually, like, it's gonna make me feel better up here, and then that affects everything else. So that is one of my things for this year. This first week of 2024 has been quite slow. I'm normally like on it with work and sending out emails and making plans, and I think I've just taken it slow. I've enjoyed my days at home. I've been making like the little lifestyle changes to make myself feel better. I've been like consistent with content, which is not like me, but maybe if I was at home more, I would produce more content. I'm like always at events and stuff, so I'm like, maybe that's what needs to change for this year. But Fazan's gone out to get some ingredients for roast dinner, so when he gets back, we'll make that together, so I might film that. So this is the chicken. I don't even want to get it in the video, but these are all the spices that we're going to put in. So I'm just going to put them in the bowl because I'm also filming this for TikTok.
No, you don't put the... No, I'm into the camera.
No.
Where's his bowl? Okay, yeah.
Look, is it yummy?
Yummy, really, really yummy.
Wait, hot. Yeah.
Yahya, my
I don't
John.
know what you're doing.
Yahya had some
what you're
noodles.
doing.
Yahya might not eat. Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Good boy, Noah. It's hot,
Bayasa,
Zaki.
it's hot. Eat from
Yahya, do
here.
you want to come
Eat
sit
from
next to
here.
me?
Eat from here. Look, Zaki, look, Zaki.
I'm going to sit next to
This
you,
one.
Mom.